Inspiring.
Valuable.
Refreshing.
Enlightening was my outcome today, yes.
The biggest thing I came up with was there are a lot more stakeholders involved in this product than I initially anticipated. I thought there was 2, possibly 3, but we've actually come out with 9. So I'm going to now proceed to design this product and take it to the market.
The best benefit and value was just hearing others' opinions, sharing my own ones through a very valuable workshop.
A chance to revisit the design thinking approach, but see it applied in a more tangible way sometimes, or a more practical way.
For me personally, I guess the best takeaway, or how it's going to help me within our business, is to implement all these tools that we've got and actually try to make this development within a smaller team, so that we could actually implement it in a bigger and wider environment as a business.
One of the things we look at innovation on a regular basis, but being given these extra few tools to spark off a lot more varied debate and discussion than the normal process and the normal focus.
Enthused me and revitalised me around the opportunities, the very strong opportunities there are around applying design thinking and design approaches in problem solving.
Look, I've enjoyed a couple of days away from work. Sometimes it's really important to just get away from it all, maybe help me reset my mindset and go back and sort of start with a fresh mind and get things moving along nicely.
Is making sure we don't go home, put our paperwork in the drawer and move on and do the things we've always done before.
That's true, yeah. Next for me is to actually implement one of the tools that I found that very relatively is helpful for me.
Being able to incorporate things like 10 types of innovation and some more design thinking approaches in my work with clients in improving their business. Absolutely, it's fabulous value. It's a great chance to get out and meet other people who are maybe wrestling with similar or related problems, and a real chance to re-challenge some of your assumptions around where the solutions may lie to the problems that you're facing.